Hi everyone, my name is Portia Gonzalez, and the population pyramid I chose to do is of France. This class is GLG 110, and my professor's name is Carolina Michel. France is located here, between Germany and Spain. In 1950, France started out with 41,833,873 people. As time goes on, it starts to increase a little bit, as shown here. By 2100, the population is estimated to go up to 65,497,772 people. The carbon emissions of France tends to stay low under the US and China for annual emissions and cumulative emissions. For per person emissions, however, France is higher than China, but starts to decrease around 1980. France is ranked 22 in population size, which is all the way down here. The three main places that immigrated to France are Algeria, Morocco, and Portugal. The three main places France immigrated to are Spain, the US, and Belgium. The population density of France is 118.88 person per kilometer, which can be shown right here. The continents that will continue to grow are Africa and North America. The two continents that will decrease by 2050, which is about right here, are Asia and Europe. The growth rate of France is 0.41%. The urban growth rate of France is 0.70%. The birth rate of France is 12 over 1,000. And the rural population growth of France is negative 0.72%. Based on my findings, I think France will stay steady because they aren't growing rapidly and they aren't decreasing rapidly. They're staying about average. If a geological disaster occurred in France, I think they will get hit pretty hard, but they will be able to rebuild and get back up on their feet. I enjoyed this lab. I found it interesting researching about population sizes. Thank you all for listening.